Welcome in the third episode of Unknown Facts. Today we are going to discuss about vampires. Almost all religions mention the existence of vampires in different names. Are they real? Did they live on this earth once or still living today? Or they were just myths? Let us find the answer today. The presence of good, evil, and Satan is described in all holy books. There are good people and positive energy, and also there are evil people and negative energy too. There are too many films and documentaries that describe the category of vampires. There are too many films and documentaries that describe the category of vampires. They look like humans, but lives only by drinking blood. A group of people believes the existence of vampire category and the other don't. Science believes the existence of the category of vampires, but they do not believe in the vampires. Let me explain in simple words. If we discuss the matter in scientific point of view, there are a category of humans who drinks blood, but they do not possess any supernatural powers. They are not any other category of species, but they are human beings with mental disease. This disease is named as clinical vampirism. As per the scientific point of view, there are a group of people who wants to drink blood of animals and human. They got comfort in drinking blood. Those people think that they got energy or power by drinking blood. In simple words, they are addicted in drinking blood or obsessed in drinking blood. Like all addiction, these persons get upset or feel headache if they didn't get blood to drink. But the important fact of this addiction or disease is that there are no treatments available for such affected persons. We can call such persons vampires. When we look into myths, they are a category of dead person possessing supernatural powers which are superior to human being. They are immortal until killed by someone with perfect customs. In that era, the people used to live in clans where some people lived outside of those clans and used to drink blood of those clan members. As we are classifying vampire category, here we must also say that monsters, ghosts, werewolves all used to drink blood, but only drinking blood does not classify them as a vampire. They had a few characteristics too, which make the distinction. For instance, vampires doesn't have heart. They could fly, they can drink only blood, and any other food is just like poison for them. They can't live in sunlight. They can see even in darkness. They are immortal. They can infect another man to be a vampire. Vampires can be killed by stabbing in their heart with a wooden knife dipped in holy water. They can't give birth of another vampire themselves. They are the most intelligent category among humans and other hellish creatures. Now, if they are immortal, are they still present in this modern era? Of course, yes. But there is a tiny problem. There are people still in the earth who live in clans and drinks blood, but they are not immortal. But the category is. No, I am not saying that a cannibal clan somewhere in the forest still drink blood. No way. Actually, I am speaking about Orleans, where near about 5,000 vampires live still dead. As per the reports of BBC and NY Daily News, in Orleans, USA, there is a secret society of people who drinks blood. No, they do not have large teeth or wings. They are just like normal human beings. But every night, they drink blood of animals or humans. They do not kill humans to drink blood, but they reward their donors somehow. However, there is no proof that they have a greater intelligence, superior strength, or longer life. It may be a disease only. It may be the vampire category has been extincted. It may be that they never existed. It may be they are still drinking, hiding somewhere on the earth. There is no strong evidence of their existence or of being myth. But if you haven't seen something, that doesn't mean that it never existed or still exists.